When you think of the benefits of influencer marketing, you probably think first and foremost about advantages, including increased brand awareness and making more sales. However, although influencer marketing can help you with these things, working with an influencer can offer you so much more. Traditional marketing methods such as radio, TV ads, and billboards have become, for the most part, relatively ineffective ways of reaching a target audience. Instead, most marketers are finding that the best way to expand their reach and get their message to potential customers is by targeting them through social media. And one of the most effective ways to do this is by working with influencers. So let's take a look at some of the biggest benefits of influencer marketing that you might not be aware of. What is influencer marketing? We have a whole video dedicated to explaining what exactly influencer marketing is. But if you're new to the concept, what you need to know is that it's a form of social media marketing that involves collaborating with influencers who publicly endorse your brand. Because an influencer has already built up a reputation founded on trust and credibility, when you collaborate with them and they promote your brand, you automatically gain a degree of social proof that persuades potential customers to buy into your brand. This helps you build your business and reach a larger audience. Some of the more well-known benefits of influencer marketing include improving brand awareness. The right strategy can expand your reach and online positioning, encouraging more people to find out more about who you are and what you have to offer. Reaching your target audience. Relevant influencers can help you share your content with a niche audience that's more likely to be interested in your product. If you're still on the fence about collaborating with an influencer, then the following lesser-known benefits of influencer marketing should convince you to include the tactic in your digital marketing strategy. It helps you to acquire better customers. 89% of marketers say that influencer marketing works as well or even better than other marketing channels, while over half, 51% of marketers believe that it helps them to acquire actually better customers. And this is one of the most important benefits of influencer marketing, as higher quality customers are more likely to become recurring buyers, rather than just one-off conversions. They are also far more likely to recommend your products to their friends and serve as unofficial brand ambassadors. Diversify your audience. You may well already have an established audience, but influencer marketing can help you diversify your following and expand the demographics of your online community. And this can be especially beneficial if you're planning to launch new products or services, or if you're in the process of rebranding to break into a new market and align with evolving market trends. Boost engagement. The benefits of influencer marketing also include increased engagement. In other words, collaborating with an influencer can help you get more likes and comments on your social media posts. This is because an influencer introduces your brand to their established following made up of individuals who trust their reviews and recommendations. Plus, your content is more likely to be perceived as authentic and trustworthy if it's endorsed by someone with an established reputation. And this, in turn, helps you to reach a larger audience so that more people find out about who you are and what you stand for. Hey, you might even go viral. Reinforce trust and loyalty. Influencers who share authentic content that provides their audience with added value tend to develop a more loyal and trusting following over time. If you develop a good relationship with an influencer and achieve their buy-in, their trust in your product or service will be transferred to their followers, translating into more reliable, long-term customers for your brand. For this reason, long-term brand influencer relationships are now becoming the norm, as they produce more credibility than the typical one-off collaboration. Solid ROI, or return on investment. Of all the benefits of influencer marketing, this is perhaps the most fundamental. After all, what's the point in investing in a marketing strategy if it doesn't have a positive impact on the bottom line of your business? Statistics have shown that influencer marketing delivers strong returns. On average, the ROI of influencer marketing is 11 times greater than other types of digital marketing, like banner ads. This makes it far more valuable than other traditional marketing tactics. If you're wondering how to measure success and return on investment with an influencer marketing campaign, watch this video right here. Now that you know the benefits of using influencers in your digital marketing strategy, we hope you're considering to start your own campaigns. We recommend using an all-in-one tool that will help you achieve your results, such as Influencity. We'll leave a link to try it for free in the description down below. And if you want to keep learning more about influencer marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. See you next time.